We're filming today in the fall, the end of the growing season in Bishop. First, we're going to take you to the Bishop Free Garden to show you what's growing there. This is a plot at the community garden that master gardeners have been working on. They are growing fresh vegetables and free to anyone in the community to come and pick. Again, just to give you an idea of the kind of vegetables you can grow in your Bishop garden, we're going to take a look at some of the crop here. Okay, here you have a tomato plant. You can see these are the tomatoes again that start off black, and as they ripen they start to turn, first they turn a little green and then they'll finally turn more of the traditional orangey red color. Not as sweet as a traditional cherry tomato, but if you can wait long enough for them to ripen, they're pretty good and you can certainly cook with them. Along the fence we have a crop of green beans. Joanne is actually holding up one of them, still has a bean on it. They're getting near the end of their season, but they've yielded a good crop. Okay, the bed down the middle has three varieties. First you have collards, in the middle are chard, and then there's kale at the other side. You know, kale and chard are both cool weather. These are all cool weather crops, so they're going to keep growing. They don't necessarily have to be broken down this month. Joanne is holding up an eggplant plant. Those might be Japanese eggplant, can't tell from how big they're getting. And then in back of them, way in back, you can see there's a larger tomato plant.
Fall is the perfect time to order seeds and think about what you'd like to do for next year. And we hope that in this series of videos that you're going to be able to see, that you will be able to get some ideas about what you'd like to do in your own garden.
Finally, here's just an overview of the free garden. You'll notice in addition to some of the beautiful vegetables we've looked at, there's a lot of flowers, and then along the border here are the sunflowers.
This is just a taste of the few things that you're going to be able to see and learn, and we hope that you enjoy it. But our next video, we're going to be going and visiting Allison Collins' garden, and I hope to see you there soon.